Hello everyone, welcome again to my challenge. Today we have a challenge with my husband. Kakain kami ng grapes within 2 minutes, but yung balat hindi namin iyon lulunukin. So, yan guys, ang aming challenge ngayon ng aming asawa. But before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel. At kung bago ka lang, huwag mo kakalimutang i-ring ang aking bell para lagi kang updated sa aking bagong videos. So, let's start guys! Ito na guys. May minuto. Sorry if we eat very noisy and very fast. Ayan guys, tay kami ng aking asawa. We are Thai. Ayan. Tay kami dalawa. Ayun, I hope guys na you enjoy our challenge. At sorry if we eat very fast and noisy. That's not a normal eating of eating of using my grapes. It is only a challenge. So that's it guys. Thank you very much and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much to my husband because she's always
Operation.
ayan. Sinasamahan niya lang ako lagi sa aking chance. Okay, that's it guys. Till my next vlog again. Bye-bye. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.